Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. Today we are taking a look at an all-new 2026 Sea Ray 350 SLX. It's a beautiful boat. I'm going to take you around the interior of this boat, show you all the great features that it has to offer. Come along. At the start of the show, aft section of the Sea Ray 350 SLX. This is a beautiful and an awesome place to hang out while you're tied up on the water. Starting with the first thing is your automated swim platform. Obviously, you have a huge swim platform here, but you do have an automatic drop-down portion here that'll give you easy access in and out of the boat. As you can see here at your aft seating section, you do have a beautiful sun pad lounge area here. This can be stowed away if you want to prevent any sun damage and just keep the upholstery nice and perfect. Making our way into the boat, you do have a cooler section here. While you're hanging out here on the back of the boat, throw some ice in here, keep your drinks cold for the whole day. Making our way in, as you can see in the hard top here, you do have a sure shade. This is going to give you some sun coverage here on the back of the boat. And making our way into the cockpit, this is a beautiful area, very conversational, wraparound seating here on your port side, plenty of seats for all your friends and family. And over here is your wet bar, also going to be equipped with a fridge as well as a trash can storage to keep all the trash from the inside of your boat. You do have a cooler storage here, easy access, store the cooler away, keep it out from your walking space here. You do have some more seating on your starboard side, and making our way up to the helm, got deluxe captain's chair seating for two. It's also going to be equipped with your 10-inch dual SIMRAD display. And over here on the side, next to your throttles, is joystick navigation, which is going to make it super easy in docking and marina situations. Over here on your port side, you do have another deluxe captain chair seating for two as well. This boat's also going to be equipped with a small cabin area. Comes equipped with a flat screen TV down in there as well. Going to really extend your day out on the water. This boat also comes equipped with a vacuum flush head that's going to have a pumping tank. Also going to extend your day out on the water, make it very pleasurable. Making our way up to the bow. As you can see, this boat does have filler cushions. These can be removed to give you some more walking space, but this is a great lounge area while you're out on the water. So if you like this 350 SLX or any other boat you see in our online inventory, stop by or call your local MarineMax today. Thanks.